Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Solve and Ants. In today's video, I will be doing Class 8 Maths Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable, Exercise 2.2. So let us start with the sums. Question number 1. If you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? So here you don't know the number, so let us assume the number to be x. So start by writing let the number be x. Because you don't know the number, so always you don't know the number, your first statement will be let the number be x. Next is subtract half from the number. So it will be x minus half. If you write half minus x, ये क्या हो जाएगा? इसका result will be different. Because the statement says subtracting half from a number, you are going to write x minus half. And the meaning of the other is subtracting number from 1 by 2. So that will be wrong. So x minus 1 by 2, multiplying it with half, you will get, if you enclose it in the bracket, इसका मतलब हो जाएगा you are going to multiply the entire thing with half is equal to 1 by 8. So the easiest way of solving this equation here is x minus half जो bracket के अंदर है उसको आप इसी तरह रख लो, x minus half 1 by 8. अब यहाँ पे जो next step होगा वो you have to bring that half on the right hand side. तो इसको so when it comes on the right hand side it will be reciprocal. तो half बन जाएगा 2 by 1. This is very important. So when you bring half on the other side, the multiplication sign changes to division and then it becomes 2 by 1. So when you cut, you will get 1 by 4. X minus half is equals to 1 by 4. Now leave x on one side and bring all the numbers on the other side. So I will do it over here. X is equal to 1 by 4 and this minus half will become plus. Earlier it was multiplication, now it is minus. So minus sign will be plus. So plus 1 by 2. Next step is to equate the denominators because they are not same. तो इसको किस तरह करोगे? By taking the LCM. So take the LCM of 4 and 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. So LCM what you got here is 2 into 2 is 4. तो denominators हमारे 4 होना चाहिए. तो 2 into 2, x is what? 1 by 4 plus half, you multiply this denominator with 2 and also the numerator by 2. तो denominator क्या हो जाएगा? 4. X is equals to 1 plus 1 into 2 is 2 and denominator are same. So write it, divide by 4. X is what? 3 by 4. So this is the answer. The number what you got here is 3 by 4. Question is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? So always start by drawing a small diagram. इस तरह से आपको the question becomes more clear. So it is a rectangular swimming pool and the perimeter is 154 meters. Length and breadth you don't know. So your length is 2 more than twice its breadth. Length is being compared to breadth. So consider breadth to be x. Length क्या comparison breadth से हो रहा है और you don't know the value of breadth. So start by writing let the breadth be x meters. Now the value of length is 2 more than यानी 2 plus. 2 more is 2 plus. Twice its breadth हो जाएगा 2 into x, that is 2x. So 2 plus 2x meters. So the statement is the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. Perimeter is given. So perimeter of a rectangle, that is given. So right, the formula of perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Now substitute the values. Perimeter of rectangle का value है 154 is equal to 2 into length is what? 2 plus 2x. Breadth is x, so plus x. Now whatever is there inside the bracket you are going to add. So 2x plus x will be 3x. 2 plus 3x and 2 outside the bracket. 154 is equals to 2 into 2 plus 3x. Now you're going to multiply the numbers which are inside the bracket with 2. So 2 into 2 and 2 into 3x. So 4, 2 into 2 is 4 plus 6x is equals to 154. Now keep x on one side and bring all the numbers on the other side. I'll write it over here. 154, bring all the numbers on one side is equals to 4 plus 6x को आप 4 को यहाँ पे लाओगे and 6x will be as it is. So 154, this plus 4 will become minus 4 because it is coming on the other side is equals to 6x. 154 minus 4 is 150 is equals to 6x. Now keep x as it is and bring the 6 on the other side. Because it is multiplication, on the other side it will be division. 150 divided by 6. So 6 times 25 is 150. So x की value हमको मिल गई है and that is 25. So breadth here is 25 meters. And what about length? Length is 2 plus 2 into 25. That is 52 meters. So this is the way you solve this sum. Now coming to the next sum. The base of isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4, 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? So यहाँ पे हमको एक isosceles triangle, the name has been specified. Isosceles की property क्या है? Two sides are equal and the other side is not the same. So base is what? 4 by 3 centimeters. And the entire length, that is the perimeter, is 4, 2 by 15. So because this is a mixed fraction, you are going to convert it into a improper fraction. And आपको दो sides पता नहीं है, you are going to write it as x. So perimeter of a triangle is given and start by writing perimeter of triangle is what? Sum of all the three sides. So perimeter जो दिया है 4, 2 by 15 is equals to x plus 4 by 3. So x plus x becomes 2x plus 4 by 3 and this mixed fraction will be converted into improper fraction. So 4 into 15 plus 2. 62 by 15. So 4 2 by 15 has become 62 by 15. Next is keeping 2x as it is and bringing all the number on the other side. So 62 by 15. This plus 4 by 3 will become, this 2x you keep as it is and plus 4 by 3 will become minus 4 by 3 because it is coming on the other side. We are bringing it on the other side. So minus 4 by 3. This plus sign will change into minus sign when it comes on the other side. Next thing is to equate the denominators before subtracting. So 15 और 3 का हम LCM लेंगे just like we did earlier. 3 5s are 15, 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5, and now you multiply 3 into 5 is 15. So this 3 you are going to make it 15 by multiplying with 5. And the numerator as well. So 62 minus 20, this is the common denominator 15, is equals to 2x. I'll draw a line here and continue with the sum. 62 minus 20, that is 42 by 15 is equals to 2x. So this is the keeping x as it is, you are bringing the number on the other side. So यहाँ पे देखो आप multiplication है तो it will be 42 by 15 and reciprocal will be 2 by 1 का क्या हो जाएगा reciprocal 1 by 2 is equals to x. So जो 2 by 1 होगा 1 by 2 when it comes on the other side. So 2 times 2 ones are 2 and 2 times 21 is 42. So 21 by 15 is equals to x. So यहाँ पे जो value of x होगी that is 7 by 5. So x is what? 7 by 5. So the remaining equal side value is 7 by 5. With this sum, I would like to end this video. If you understood the way I have shown in this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share my videos among your friends. Thanks for watching.